Hello to everyone. So, okay, I got this meat at Aldi's for $4.05. And I thought, that is pretty cheap for this much. What is this thing? Beef sirloin tip steaks. But what I want to make out of this is some tasty beef jerky for Shar the dog. I think this is cheaper than Albertsons marked down. So what I will do is I will put it in the oven even though it's in the dead of summer. Now this is a good thing for the stockpile too, because if you have some water and some beef jerky or some biscuits, you can survive. So I've made this a couple times, but I think it bears repeating. A dehydrator would be nice, but until I find one at a good price, I'm just going to have to be using my oven. Someone asked me if it drives the price of my electricity up. The electricity is very expensive, and so is everything else here. So, I need jerky, so, what is this? Okay. So now I will just slip it in the oven. I have it on 225. Sometimes, like this is really thin. It cooks really, really fast, maybe in about 4 or 5 hours. So luckily I'm an insomniac, so I'll just keep an eye on it, and in the morning have beef jerky.